everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Bri, and a fun fact about me, if I had to pick between being a mermaid, a fairy, or a unicorn, I would pick to be a fairy. Now, most people I know would say mermaid because they're beautiful and they could be in the ocean and they've got a beautiful tail and they could sing like Ariel, but I'm terrified of the ocean, so I know I wouldn't last long as a mermaid. However, as a fairy, you can fly, you can fit into little places, you get to wear those beautiful dresses. I mean, there's so many perks to being a fairy. Let me know in the comments, which one would you pick out of those three? So today's video is a pretty exciting video as it's an unboxing video. Now, you guys are used to my Disney unboxing videos, but this particular one is really unique and exciting because it is a vegan subscription box service, and it is called the Enchantment box. But this is what the packaging looks like. It is beautiful. But this is a vegan and cruelty-free subscription box that has a variety of different beauty items, makeup items, skincare, candles, so many different kind of mystical and really unique items in each box. And the cool thing about this is each month is themed. So Halloween was their Hocus Pocus box, really tapping into the dark magic, whereas this one is actually the fairy box, very fitting to my answer at the beginning, but it's the fairy box, so it's very light and charming and still have that mythical elements to it as every single box, but more on the lighthearted side. I'm gonna leave all information in the description box, but yeah, without further ado, let's unbox this baby. So as you open it up, it says fairies in the forest right on top. So this is a breakdown similar to BoxyCharm or really any of the makeup subscription services that you will find on YouTube and, you know, obviously on social media. But on the front, it has this beautiful, beautiful artwork. And then on this side, it actually shows what is inside. So it says fairies in the forest contents. We've got a little quote here. It says, "Come fairies, take me out of this dull world, for I would ride with you upon the wind and dance upon the mountains like a flame." And it's by W.B. Yeats. So as you can see there, it has very, very descriptive information. And the cool thing about this is that each little item comes from a small owner shop. So you're not gonna really get anything from Kat Von D or any of those well-known higher end brands. You're gonna get some really unique, like Etsy mom and pop kind of shops. So I think that's really cool. So as you can see on top, we've got the little confetti and it looks just like the grass as it would for fairies. So I'm gonna take that off. And I see the first thing that we have on top. Ooh, I'm gonna love this. It is a Fearless Face Everything and Rise air freshener. So this is from The Natural Life. It says this set of 2 limited edition forest pine scented air fresheners features a mountain scene and the inspiring sentiment. Great things never came from comfort zones. The Fearless collection is creating a movement to educate, empower, and reduce the stigma of anxiety disorders, and even a percentage of proceeds went to the OCD at Jacksonville. This values at $7, and there's even a promo code, so I will leave that right here for 20% off. Kind of reminds me of a dream catcher. Oh my gosh, pine is one of my favorite scents. And that is beautiful. Great things never come from comfort zones, which is perfect for people who suffer from anxiety. And I love that it has the little tassels. That's gonna be great in my car. So anytime that I suffer from anxiety while driving, I will just look at this and remember that great things never came from comfort zones. So yeah, that's pretty cool that there's a message behind this box. It's not just about the outer appearance and the outer facade, but it's also about diving deep and really focusing on your inner appearance, which you all know on my channel, I love to dig deep. So the next thing I see a candle. Ooh, I am excited for this. So this one, oh no, it might be a jar. Well, that's beautiful. Oh, and you've got a fairy. It's got some moss on top and a beautiful leaf. And is that a fairy on top? Oh no, that's just a little butterfly and glitter. Oh my goodness, so what is this? I think this is the magical fairy jar. This magical fairy jar is sure to light up your heart. Each one is unique and handmade, featuring details of moss, a butterfly, leaf, and lots of fairy dust. It's up to each fairy who she wants to live with forever, so yours is special just for you. Make sure to name her. These are not to be used with real candles, therefore please only use the LED style lights it came with. Oh, so there's an LED light inside. Let's open it up. Oh, this would be perfect for a bedroom. How adorable is that? So now you have your own little fairy. That is precious. I think I'm gonna put this in my beauty room And that way I can have just a little nightlight in there and always have a fairy inside. That is really cute and unique. And this retails for $15. What's next? Ooh, I see this. It says the Woodland Fairy Dream Cream. Ooh, we've got a dream cream. So this says, this Woodland Fairy Dream Cream is a little bit of magic for your hands or any other places where your skin may be a little dry. Filled with scents of forest-like soft woods, tonka, fresh plum, whisper of evergreen, and a kiss of shimmer. And this values for $6. So let's see how this smells. This is about, it's 2 ounces. Ooh, that smells heavenly. Look how beautifully whipped that is. It looks like frosting. Let me see. Ooh, that's a really good moisturizer. It reminds me of those Lush products, but obviously for a fraction of the cost. That is amazing, and my hand now feels so good. I think I'm gonna keep this by my bedside so that if I ever get dry during the night, especially during these harsh winters, I know California harsh winters, I'll be able to take this out of my nightstand and moisturize my hands, my cuticles, my arms, my legs, my feet, anything that is just really dry. Ooh, we've got a makeup item. Ooh, it's an eye pencil, so let's see. All Natural Cosmetics. This is the perfect liner for an everyday fairy look and wearable into the holiday season. The color is called Meadow and is best described as a forest green with subtle sheen. Formulated without animal byproducts, synthetic preservatives, nanoparticles, gluten, parabens, fillers, dyes, or toxins, this Glide-On Essential Eye Pencil is 100% natural, cruelty-free, vegan, and made in the USA. And this values for $22, and they gave a promo code as well for Enchantment 20. So if you want to purchase anything from their line, you can get 20% off. I wonder if this will look really good with my hazel eyes and will make them really pop. I'll have to try it with me being a mermaid this weekend and see if it does. This is what the pencil looks like. I love that it has a forest green barrel. That's really pretty. Okay, it definitely is a little bit more on the sheerer side. You have to build it up a little bit more, but that is the color right there. It literally looks like my nail polish. That is beautiful. I see some candy. So we have pure maple sugar candy, and this is Pieces of Vermont. And look how adorable those are. So Pieces of Vermont, it says we had to include one of our favorite candies for this box that literally comes straight from a tree. This adorable owl and maple leaf is made from 100% pure Vermont maple syrup, and its value is $5. And it says for the ingredients, it's just pure maple syrup. So let's try a piece. I've never tried maple candy before, so we'll see if I like it, but oh my gosh, it is so cute. Look how cute that is. I'm about to eat an owl, but that is so freaking adorable. So let's see. Well, that's rich. I feel like Josh would really love that. I'm not the biggest maple person, but that is pretty delicious. Next up, ooh, this is really unique. So this is from the company Unicorns Love Sugar Moonbeams. This floral smudge wand is beautifully handmade with several herbs and flowers: rose, status flower, mint, rosemary, catnip, lavender, oregano, and sage. Use it to manifest all the magical things in your life. Please be mindful when burning and never leave unattended. Value is $11, and they also have a promo code which is 10% off. So if you want anything like this, it is Unicorn 10. But that is really cool. It's beautiful. Okay, so there are 2 more items in here. So this one is Meadowlark and Bluebird. It says all fairies love flowers. This vial is filled with biodegradable sparkles with organic wildflower seeds. Just open the vial, sprinkle some fairy dust, water, and watch wildflowers bloom. That's so cool. And this values for $3. I cannot wait to try that. I mean, look how tiny this is. Isn't that beautiful? And look at all the detail work. I mean, even from the little teeny tiny label to the little topper. Oh my gosh, and that is gorgeous. So I guess if you just add water to this, watch wildflowers bloom. I'm gonna have to test this out. And you can even see little wildflowers in there. That is pretty magical. And then the last thing we are receiving is the Pretty Little Bath Company. It says this gentle apple tree pixie organic sugar lip scrub is used to exfoliate, while the organic coconut oil is used to hydrate. Flavored with green apple and topped with a sugar candied finish, spread a small amount on your lips, A little goes a long way. Gently rub your lips together or use your finger. Wash it away with water or just lick it off. And this value is $6. They also have a promo code for 20% off, and I will leave that code right here. Now, I love apples, so I cannot wait to smell this. Oh, the only downfall is that the little branding right here, as you can see, it came off of the lid. So that's unfortunate. I might need to see if I can somehow stick that back on the top. But, oh no, oh no. Oh my gosh, that smells so heavenly. It smells like a sour Jolly Rancher. Wow. Ooh, I am so excited to use that tonight. This is gonna be great for the dry season. Thank you so much, Enchantment Box, for giving me this box to open up on my channel. I am beyond excited to use these products, and I know you guys will too. If you want to check out their company, I will leave all of their social media links down below, including their website. That way you can check it out and hopefully bring a little mythical magic to your doorstep. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But I hope you have an amazing week. Stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.